Hello guys, you are welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So much appreciate every one of you that have been subscribing and following my YouTube channel. I'm so much grateful. All right, so in today's video, I'll be showing us how to design an attorney website. All right, an attorney website, you can see there, or a law firm website. Okay, so you can see a perfect example of how to design a law firm website. This is an example of what you are going to be replicating in this video. All right, so if today is your first time, once again, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to always get updates on our videos. All right, so without wasting much of our time, we'll dive into this training right away. So for us to do that, you need a cPanel. All right, you need to purchase your domain name and hosting from a reliable web hosting company. All right, so if you are still in doubt of anyone to use, you can chat me up via my WhatsApp number. It's always on the description of this video. Just chat me up and we'll take it up from there. So once you purchase the domain name and hosting, you have access to a cPanel like this. All right, so once we are done that, let me go to WordPress. You can see the WordPress here. I click on WordPress, move over to install now. You can see install now. All right, then for the sake of this video, I'll be using a directory because this particular domain has a website on it. So I'll be using a directory. I just say law firm. All right, let me use that law firm. Then I'll put in my necessary information. Okay, so just put in my necessary information. All right, so which other thing again? Okay, so once I do that, just be sure of what I'm doing. Then I'll come down and click on install. So that is the first process. That is the first process. Okay, so just, what is it? Oh, sorry. Said the maximum database has been reached. Okay, let me just install again. Let me install again. Okay, good. So that is the first process. Okay, just purchase your domain name and install WordPress. Good. You can see that the installation has been done. So once you get this, the next thing is for you to click on this administrative URL. So click on that to take us to the back end, while this will take you to the front end. All right, this will take you to the front end. You can see this is the front end, nothing is there. All right, while this is the back end, you can see it now. Remember, our goal is to design something like this. You can see it's to design something as awesome as and beautiful like this. So that's what we want to achieve. So now let's go back. So the moment you install your WordPress and you have something like this, so what you need to do is to install the theme. The theme we are using for this particular website is called Goldenblatt. Right? It's called Goldenblatt. That's the name of the theme. Okay, so just I'll go to my appearance. Now go to theme. Now click on add new. Right, click on add new and I'll click on upload. Click on choose file. All right, so that is that. Then I'll come to go to my download and search for Goldenblatt. Okay, open. All right, this is it. So I will install. You can see that. Then I will store. So once you do that, just give it some minutes for it to install. Right, just allow it some few seconds for it to install. Once it install, you activate. Okay, so just wait a little bit. All right, the plugin has been uploaded successfully. So what you now do is you come to activate. You can see it here, activate. All right, click on activate. You can see that. You can see this thing is there. So once you are done activating, the next is what? Begin installing plugin. So you can see that the process starts from having your cPanel, installing your WordPress, installing the theme, then now we are installing the necessary plugins. So this plugin we're talking about, it came with the theme. So just click on it like this, just to select all. Then you click on bulk action, click on apply, click on install rather, click on apply. So that is the next process. So once this process is completed, then we can now begin in designing the website. All right, so you can see that everything is just following a sequence. So you don't need to rush this video. Like I said, don't need to rush this video. Just take your time, watch the video from the beginning to the end. So now you can see that this is done. You click on return to plugin installer, repeat the same process, do it again, but this time around we are activating. You can see the activate and you click on apply. Right, so you can see that is done. So go back, let's see our site and see how it is. So you can see now. So the next thing for us to do is to import the demo. To import the demo, to do that, you come to tools. You can see tools here. You come to BT import, click on it. So you can see this thing there. You click on it to import. It's as easy as that. So you just pause the video now and wait for this thing to complete. You can see it's loading. All right, so you can see it's counting 1%, 1.5. So wait for it to complete 100%, then we can begin. All right. All right, you can see that the importation is done already. So you can see that the demo has been imported successfully. So let's reload this page again and see how it is. All right, so you can see now that everything is here. All what you have been looking for, they are here now. Okay, so now let's move straight. The next thing for us to do is to set up our menu. You can see the menu that is showing here. So it's not nice. So let's create a menu. Right, come to appearance and you come to menu. Right, so I think from here you can take it up. So you create your menu. You can see your primary menu. So I'll click on select. So I want it to be as simple as this. Can you see how this one is now? Home, services, blog, contact, about us, and contact. So let's just do this. So I can just come here and click on delete menu. So click on delete. All right, so you can see that. Now let me create my menu. Come here, click on create a new menu. I can just say primary, or better still, I can say main menu or anything. And I say it should appear in primary, and I'll click on create. All right, click on create. Okay, so what do I want? Which item do I want to be on my menu? So I'll come here. My front page is there. I add it. Okay, then what else again? What else? I say services blog. Come here, look for it. Where is services? You can see the blog page there. You can see about us. You can see what else again? You can see contact. You can see services. Perfect. Add it to my menu. So you can see the 5 item here. Right, so the same thing we have here, 1, 2, there are 5 exactly. So once I'm done with this, I can save it. Okay, so if you want to rearrange, if you want this one to come up, just drag it. You can see it drag this, come here. All right, so I can save again. I can save. Okay, so let's reload this. So now let's click on it to reload. Okay, can you see that everything is perfect? Okay, so the next thing now is for you to edit. To edit all this item you are seeing, all this write-up is very easy. It's very easy to edit. You can see that once you can see this icon here that is showing show/hide edit mode UI. Once I click on it, this thing will no longer, this editing mode will no longer be there. All right, but if I want it to be there, I'll just click on it. So you can see now I cannot edit. I'll just click on this, double click on it. You can see the item here. All right, it's very easy to edit. So I cannot put the menu. What will I call it now? Change my email. I can change my email here. You can see that. Say at lawfirm.com. So if that's what I want, you can see as you are editing, it's taking effect. Okay. So as you are editing, it's taking effect instantly. All right. What else do I want to change there? If you want to change the background, this is clone. Why this is delete? If you don't want it, okay. So I think I'm done with that. I come here again. All right. So okay. So you can see this one too. If you want to edit this, you click on it. You can see the phone number. You can also edit the phone number. It's very easy. If I want to do that, come here, say, okay, I don't want that. I want this. Easy. As you are doing it, it's taking effect instantly. It's taking effect instantly. So I can Close that, come down again. You can see all of this item too. If you don't want it, just click on it. You can see it there. All right, you can see the out of court settlements. If you want to change the text, you can change the text. If you want to add more text, you can add text there. All right, you can anything at all you want to do, make sure you go through it one after the other. Okay, make sure you go through it. Now, let's say for instance, I want to change. Where is it? Let's say for instance, I want to change this image. If I click on it, now can you see the image? It's very easy. You need to click on it. Whatever thing you want to change, you can do it. If you want to select, I can select on this. Click on this select. Let's say for instance, it will take me straight to my system where I will have to upload my picture. If I want to change it, you can see that. All right. If I want to change this to the same thing, if I click on it now, can you see the picture? All right. So that is that. Then you can see the write up and this. You can see this. This is social media handle. If you want to change it, change your social media handle and put whatever thing you want to put there. All right. This is to save changes. All right. Anything at all you are doing, make sure you save. Okay. So that is how you edit all of these pages. Can you see this write up you have here now? Can you see this? If you want to change, edit this, can you see the write up here? Organically grow the holistic world view of disruptive innovation via workplace diversity and empowerment. So if I want to change this write up now, I can come here. Let's say I have something more. I want to just type. You can see that you are typing. So you are putting it, it's taking more effect. Okay. All right. So it's not as difficult as this. So with this, now in less than 1 hour, you can have your website up and running. Okay, save changes. So you have other things you want to change, you can do that. Now, having taken you through all this process, now let me show you how you can edit. You can edit the logo, how you can edit. Let me take this thing up. How you can edit the logo, how you can edit this phone number that is showing here, how you can edit this social icon, this Facebook and Twitter, how you can change this address that is showing for 49 Rosette Square rather, London, UK, and this email. Now let me show you how you can do that. To do that, easy, go to appearance and come to customize. Open it in a new tab. Okay, open it in a new tab. It is very, very easy to get access to this. Now, for you to do that, you come to general setting. Let me show you some general setting. Now you can see this logo. If you want to change your logo, this logo that is showing here, if you want to change it, you can see where you can change it here. Just click on change image. You must have created your logo. All right, you must have created your logo, and or better still, let me just show you. Let me just upload a logo from my system. Any logo can go now. Oh, sorry, let me upload select file. Okay, let me just upload the logo from my system. We have pictures here. Okay, let me use this. All right, so let me just use that. Okay, can you see the logo has changed? It's not as difficult as it seems. Okay, I can change the logo in a space. So you must have created a logo. You must have created a logo before you think of changing it. You can see that the moment you do this, it will automatically take effect. If I want it to be there now, I will just save. Click on remove. Just click on remove. Let me go and replace it with the one I had before. Where is it? Where is the logo? All right. So it's as easy as that. You can change the logo. You change this logo. You also make sure you change this. Now you can see that the primary color you are seeing here, this color is what you have on this write-up, this special approach dedicated Antonis. So that's the primary color. If you want to change it, if I come here now, for instance, say select color. Let's say okay, before I do that, let me copy this color code. Now let's say I want to change to yellow. Let me change to yellow. Can you see that the color has changed? Okay, so it is very easy. It's very easy. So let me paste the color code back. All right, so you can change the color to any color you want. All right, let me publish. Let me publish. You can see this the secondary color. That's the color that's shown on this background. This is the divorce background. That's the color. Okay, next, what is this? Okay, background page. Now let me go back. We have what is called site identity. If you come to site identity, click on it. You can see that this site is showing my WordPress blog. I don't want that. First, I want to change to a particular law firm name. Let's say a sorry, say law firm, right? can say, okay, let me just copy this. Good. Let me just copy this and use, say, paste it here. Okay, then I publish. Then I publish. So this is what will be showing. Let me take my mouse there. Okay, or okay, this is it. Now let me refresh this page. Do you remember that refresh this page? Instead of showing my blog, my WordPress blog, this is what it will be showing. Let me take my mouse there. Now, can you see it now? Law firm, special approach, dedicated, Anthony. So that is how you change it on that aspect. Then the last thing that will change on this aspect is called special site icon, which is select site icon, which we call favicon. We call it favicon. It's a special, is a small icon that shows on your website. All right, it shows on your website, so you can change it here. Let me click on it to show you how it is. Let me just select this. Okay, good. Let me select this. Once you select this now, can you see the way it's showing here? Can you see the way it's showing here? This is what we call favicon. We call it favicon. So I want it to be showing. I will just select publish. So it will be showing on my website. Then next thing is I come to header and footer. No, nothing there. Then you come to widget. Yes, you come to widget. Can you see widget here? Then if you come to widget, you have what is called header left widget. Now let me show you what we're talking about there. If you come here now, let me exit this. If you come here, come up, you can see this part here, this part that contains this logo and this top bar is what we call header. Now if you come over to this side now, you will see where it says header left widget. Header left widget, this is the widget now. This side is the left side, while this side is the right hand side. Okay, so this is the header left widget. If you click on the header left widget now, I click on this. Sorry, I click on this. Now, can you see the email that is showing the info at goldenblack.co.uk, which is what you are seeing here. Info at goldenblack.co.uk. So you must change it. You can see that if you want to change it, you come here to change it. All right, that is for that aspect. Let's say, for instance, now like I was always doing there. All right, so I change it to the one I want. I publish. Okay, then I go back again. Oh, sorry, I come back, minimize this, come to the second one. The second one is the address, which is showing here. You can see the address here. Where is it? This is it. 49 Rosette Square, London, UK. So you can see it here. All right, you can also change the address. Okay, if I wanted to change the address now, I can say 49 Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, Lagos, Nigeria. Yeah, and I publish. Okay, so if I refresh this now, if I refresh, you can see that it is taking effect instantly. So it doesn't have to wait for anything. As you are working on it, it's taking effect. Now come back here again. I think I'm done here. Let me go back. I come to header right widget. If I click on this, now you can see this the right hand side where you have follow us, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. If I'm not mistaken. Yes, then I'll come here. Click on this now. Sorry. If I click on this, you can see where it says follow us. As where it says follow us. So that is what you are seeing here. Follow us. If you want to change, you can change it. Then I go back again. Then I have this icon, Facebook. If you want to put your Facebook icon, Facebook link, you put your Facebook link there. All right. So I do that. If I want to put my Twitter link, I also come here. I'll come here. Come to the second part now. You can see the Twitter. I also put the Twitter link. It's very easy. Then the last part there is your LinkedIn. You also put your LinkedIn link. Okay, so once you do that, you publish. Anything at all you are doing, remember to always publish. Then the next thing is header menu widget. If you come to header menu widget, you can see this now. That is where you are seeing this plus 180. This is plus. You can see this phone number that is here now. You can change it here. Let's say I come now. I don't want this. I just okay, and I publish. And I publish. The moment I publish, if I come here and I refresh this, if I refresh it, can you see that the phone number has changed? It is that easy. Okay, this particular template we are using, this particular theme, it is very easy for you to work with. Now let's go over to the footer. 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 This is the footer. All right, can you see that this is the footer? Now let's edit this footer. Let's edit this footer. To edit this photo, now if you come over to, you come to your pages, you come to all pages, come to all pages, then you come to footer, come to footer. Where is it? Where is it? All right. Where is it? Okay, you come to footer. Can you see the footer? Click on view. Right. You can see that. Click on view. Can you see the footer? Now I'll have to click on this to. Where is this? Okay, they're the same thing. So I will have to click on this icon to edit. I'll click on it now. The moment I click on it, can you see that everything there, you cannot edit them? So you can see the moment I click on this now. So you can come over, see the address, very easy too. If I want to change that address, I can also do that. Say Lagos, Nigeria. You can see that's very easy because anything you do here will take effect on the site. So once you are done working, you click on save. You can see the save here. All right. So let me do that again. Let me click on it. So you can see the phone number. I want to change the phone number. Click on that. Okay. All right. I save. Okay. Next, I come down and cancel this. I have this email. I want to change this email. Come here. Say lawfirm.com. Okay. So I'll close this also. I'll save rather. So now let me show us what we have done so far. Let me come over to this place and refresh. You when I refresh, can you see that everything that we have been doing so far has taken effect? It is that easy. It is that easy. Okay, so you can see that everything we have been doing so far, we have in a space of an hour, we are done working. Okay, so the next thing for you to do now, having looked at all of this, is to edit all of these pages one after the other. Edit all of these pages. Next, if I come over to these pages now, the service. If you come to service, can you see the same thing is still taking effect now? I look at it there, you can see this. Right, if you want to edit, you also click on it. Can you see that? The moment you click on it, you have your write-up, you put your write-up there. All right, put your write-up there without wasting much of your time. All right, so that is how you build an attorney or a law firm website. Okay, hope you were able to get one or two value from this particular video. Now if you are interested in getting you want to design this particular video and you are interested in using the template I use in this video, all you need to do is to chat me up via my WhatsApp number in the description of this video, okay, for just a token. All right, for just a token. I especially appreciate every one of you that have been following me, getting that have subscribed to my channel. I love you guys. Hope to see you in my next video. God bless you.